this league up, but I would say have another push and another run in that year down by 13 at this point, but this building is bumping.
They haven't been able to get it to the press today.
And that's the factor. At the base, we got Hyman broke it early. It was ineffective. They took it off.
16-54 traditional half-court game between